So this is the Bakel airbrush gun. I'm opening up the pieces. There's the instructions. The airbrush parts. The compressor. The hose. And the cord. All right, I have unwrapped all of the pieces. I've plugged the hose onto the bottom of the airbrush gun. The other end plugs into the side of the compressor. Once that's done, you're going to plug the power cord into the bottom. There's also this little cup that goes on the side. So when you're not using it, it rests down in there, keeping the cup upright so you don't spill. And to turn it on, you hit power. You can change the pressure by hitting mode. And that's it. That's how you set up the Bakel airbrush gun.